Hey, what's going on, guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the byte length and the array buffer. So what does it does is when you access this property, it represents the length of an array buffer in the byte. So now what we're gonna do is, for that we need to create a array buffer, name it as an array buffer variable, and it would be the array buffer. So array buffer, inside that what we're gonna pass is 8 bits, that means. And now what we do is use the bytes. We gonna create a variable called bytes, and it will be equals to the buffer dot byte length. And now when we why I did that, and now you will realize bytes and get the 8 bits we just passed inside that. So this is what it does. You can directly paste that too, that's not a big deal. But the real thing is, you want to know that how much byte it can take, so you can check it by this properties. So this is what it does, and I hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.